Hello friends. So today I'll be explaining you how to generate pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So for that I have downloaded one sample data from ChatGPT. So what I provided over here, I just want to show you. I just typed, can you give a sample Excel with filled up lot of data for experimenting pivot table. Then it gave me one option from where I downloaded the pivot table. So now you can go to the generated file. So it is having lot of information like date of sale, the sales person, region, and product category, and the product name, unit sold, unit price, and total sale amount, payment method, customer type, like that. Now, how you can generate pivot table? So, suppose you want to know that salesperson wise, what is the total amount of sale? So, what you will do, you will click on insert, and then here one option is pivot table. And then if you just click on the pivot table, below it is one option from table or range. Just click on it. By default, your table will be selected. Now you want to do in new worksheet. Yes, I want to make the pivot table in the new worksheet. Then you click on OK. Then you will be seeing one option at the right hand side. So first is by which you want to filter. So that is rows. So you want to summarize salesperson wise total number of sales. So you can just drag the salesperson from the available options and go to the rows and drop it. Immediately you will see that the row levels, distinct salesperson names are displayed over here. Now, for every salesperson, you want to see the total sale amount. So then drag the total sale amount in the values column. Immediately you will see that for every salesperson, what is the total sale amount that is displayed over here. Now, for another thing, like you want to know like what are the product name and salesperson. You want to make both of the things as unique. So you can drag the product name under salesperson. So you see, then every salesperson wise, based on the product type, it is breaking down the total amount of sale. You see, like for Alice, this is the total number of sale amount, and for every product type like bookshelf, this is the amount. For bread, this is the amount. So it is breaking the data. So this is how you can generate any kind of pivot table based on your need. For example, you want to know the payment method also, just drag it to the column section, then it will be breaking down the payment method in the column section. So it will be breaking, like for bookshelf, based on the category of payment type, EMI, it is breaking down. So for rows, you can put in the rows section, drag and drop. For the column wise breaking, you can give the corresponding thing in the columns, and the main thing what you want to sum up, the end result. By default it is sum, but you can make it to other things as well. Like if you want to make it average, that is also possible. Okay, so in this particular tutorial, I have simply showed you how to generate pivot table. In the next thing, I will be showing you how to use other aggregating functions, like instead of sum, you can make count, you can make average, max, mean, product. So everything that you can use. So for this particular tutorial, I have showed you how you can make summary table from a master Excel based on your selected categories at the row and the breaking up at the column level. You can aggregate and you can break up. So this helps to analyze your data better. Hope you have understood. If you have understood, then please follow this page and help me to create lot of videos like this, which will help you to learn Excel faster. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.